people, it's nice to be back again, and I know that you're excited to learn. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Stark popcorn is a crunchy popcorn that will make popcorn lovers ask for more. You are throwing a party and you need 10 packs of Stark popcorn for every 15 guests. If you have 60 guests, how many packs of Stark popcorn do you need? Okay, so, i-divide muna natin ang 60 sa 15. So, try natin i-multiply sa 4. 15 times 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. Again, 2. 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6 equals 6. Okay, so 60. 60 divided by 15 equals 4. And 4 times 15 equals 60. And 60 minus 60 equals 0. Okay, so 4. Now, ita-times naman natin ang 4 sa 10. So, 10 times 4. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. So, ito na po ang ating final answer. You will need 40 Stark popcorn for the 60 guests. For our next video, ito naman ang ating sasagutan. There are 144 Cub and Boy Scouts in a school. If 3/4 of them are Boy Scouts, how many are Cub Scouts? Okay, that's all for today. See you next time and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave your comments below. Goodbye!